Welcome! In this video, we will look at how to create and configure a LinkedIn developer application. To get started, navigate to the LinkedIn developer's dashboard. Click on Create App. In the app creation form, enter your preferred name in the app name field, such as My Application. Next, in the LinkedIn page field, search for and select your associated company page, such as WP Web Infotech. Now, click Upload a Logo to choose your app icon. Check the agreement box to accept the terms, and click Create App. Your application is now created, and you will be directed to the Products tab. Locate Share on LinkedIn under Available Products, and click Request Access. Check the box to agree to the legal terms, and click Request Access to enable the product. Next, scroll down to Sign in with LinkedIn using OpenID Connect and click Request Access. Agree to the terms once again and confirm by clicking Request Access. Now, switch to the Auth tab from the top navigation. Under OAuth 2.0 Settings, click the edit icon next to Authorized Redirect URLs for your app. Click Add Redirect URL. Paste your website redirect URL into the field and click Update to save the changes. Finally, under Application Credentials, copy your client ID and primary client secret and paste them into your plugin settings page to complete the immigration. Thank you for watching.